Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you get room on your Airbnb app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do is to just go down here, you click your own profile down here, and you come here to accept, and all you have to do now is you just go down here and you come here to learn about us in here, and it's going to take you here in this list, and you just click here on enter place here. So then it's going to show for you list like this. In here you add your location here or your address. In here can you type of space you want to have, if you want to add into place or private room here. And here can you choose guests you have so with you, and if you want to add only you here, and you click here on or two or three, so here can you choose, and you click here on edit your estimate here, then it's going to add with you here, and here you choose so you choose price you want to have this room here or add to have this room. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.